BPI transfer to third party. How to send money to other BPI account for free using your cell phone online. And if you're new to this channel and you want to see more helpful videos like this, please click the subscribe button. First, open the BPI app and log in. Then dito sa bandang kaliwa, click this hamburger icon to show the menu. Then click transfer, followed by transfer money. For first step, for transfer from, choose the source account. Dito kukunin yung pangbayad sa bills. And since marami akong account with BPI, I have to pick which bank account yung panggagalingan ng pera. And then enter the amount to transfer. Since we will transfer to another BPI account, choose transfer to third party. And right now, may fee yung pag-transfer which is 10 pesos. Pero kung kagamit ka ng QR code sa pag-transfer ng pera, wala nang service charge or free na yung pag-transfer. By the way, at the end of this video, we will show kung paano mag-generate ng QR code. Mabilis lang siyang gawin, and after makapag-generate ng code, pwede mo na siyang i-save sa phone mo or to share to anyone na gusto mong pagsendan ng QR code. So going back, click this icon na mukhang QR code. Then you have an option to scan the QR or import from photos. So I'll choose the last option. I'll click this import QR from photos. And hanapin ko lang kung saan ko sinave yung QR code. And after ko mapili yung QR code, nag-reflect na agad yung account details dito. And maglagay na din ako ng notes. Optional lang naman to, pero mas magandang meron na din. Then click next. For step 2, kung mapapansin nyo, nakalagay dito na yung service fee, 0 yung amount. So, free talaga yung pag-transfer from BPI to another BPI account pag ginagamit mo yung QR code. And I'll just review these details and mukhang tama naman lahat. So, I'll click this confirm button. And for security purposes, kailangan yung OTP. Importante na updated yung phone number mo dito sa BPI online account mo. And since this is the correct mobile number, I'll click this button, yes, send me the code. And enter the code and receive through SMS or text. Click this button. And here's the confirmation na successful na yung pag-transfer. So, i-check ko lang yung account ko. And totoo nga, 100 pesos lang talaga yung na-deduct. Walang ibang charges. And that's how you send money to other BPI account for free without enrolling the account. Kailangan mo lang gamitin yung QR code when transferring funds online. And this time, gagawin naman natin is paano mag-generate ng code. As I've said earlier, madali lang siyang gawin. So, click this hamburger icon again. Then, click Other Services. And here, choose QR Generator. And choose the account na gusto mong magkaroon ng QR code. Then, enter the nickname and click Generate. And here's the QR code. You have the option to save it on your phone or share it right away like sa Messenger, Viber, or Telegram or sa iba pang messaging apps na pwede dito. And that's it. Sana nakatulong tong video na to. And please click the subscribe button para maging updated ka sa mga videos namin. And this is Lou from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye.